Hey guys, nice to see you again. Today it's a very special day because we're going to celebrate Oceans Day. I love the ocean and the sea and the water and everything that you can find inside. It's amazing. So many things that we don't know about the ocean. So we need to take care of our oceans, right? So this is a very cool video because it's got this. Look at this over here. You can click there and you're going to be able to see everything all around the cameraman. See? I can go down, I can go up. There's a shark there. I can go around, I can go down again, etc. So watch this video and play along with it. You're going to have lots of fun. It's a very cool video about the ocean, and it's a visit of the ocean under the sea. So you're going to be able to see what's under the sea with your own eyes. Look at this. Look at this. How beautiful is it, huh? Great. So have fun, enjoy this video, and watch it as many times as you want. There's a woman talking about it, so you will have some information as well about the oceans. Good. How beautiful. Look at that. It's amazing. Great. I need to move on. So, I need to tell me what day is it today. Is it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday? So, you grab a pen. You can grab your own pencil. And you can circle the correct day. So, I'm going to circle Tuesday today. You can circle Friday or Saturday. I don't know. The day that corresponds to today. Good. And how about the weather? What's the weather today? What's the weather today? Is it windy or sunny or rainy or cloudy or snowy? How's the weather today? In my city today, it's sunny. But maybe in your city, it's cloudy. I don't know. So you circle the correct one, okay? Great. Here we have a game, and this is a very important game because we're going to listen and read and watch a story, a very, very fun story about the ocean. Good? And it's called There is a Hole in the Bottom of the Sea. So before we read, I need to make sure that you know the characters and you know the words for the story, okay? So here we have a matching game. It's a matching game. So you're going to select the image or the picture with the correct word. Okay, so let's see. This is the squid, the eel, the snail, the sun. What is it? It's the sun. Correct. Good job. See? So you click on both. This is the squid, the eel, the shark, the hole, the crab. There you go. Correct. Good job. This one, my favorite animal in the world. It's the hole, the seaweed, the eel, the snail, the squid. The shark, of course, the shark. This is the squid. See? This is the eel. Is this the eel? No, that's not the eel. Is this the eel? That's not the eel. Is this the eel? That's the eel. It's this animal that's got electricity. It's a very interesting animal because it's electric. Good. This is the hole. Not really. This is a snail. There you go, a snail. A seaweed. Seaweed or plants under the water. Seaweed, right? And the hole. Very important in our story. A hole. Good job. We have 11 intents and we did it correctly. Good job. There you go. You can try it in your own computer so you will be able to see. So let's see the story now. Very important. So you click on the web page and you're going to be able to open the story. Good. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. This is the story. This is a beautiful story. And it's about under the sea and what happens under the sea. Good. And the coolest thing about this story for me is that it rhymes. I love rhymes and I love music. So let's read together. Are you ready? So there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole. There's a hole. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. In the dark, in the hole in the bottom of the sea. So that's the shark, and that's the hole, the black hole. There's an eel and a shark in the bottom of the sea. He's concealed from the shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. She's hiding, right? There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. Can you see the eel? Where is the eel? Where's the eel? This is the eel, right? She's concealed, she's hiding, right, from the shark. She's scared. There's a squid and an eel and a shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea, who hid from the eel and the shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. Can you see this poor squid? The squid is behind the seaweed. She's very scared from the shark and from the eel, right? There's a crab and a squid and an eel and a shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. Claws that grab at the squid and eel and the shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. Can you see the crab? The crab? There you go, that's the crab. And claws, there's claws, can grab the squid and the eel and the shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a snail and a crab and a squid and an eel and a shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. Leaves a trail past the crab and the squid and the eel and the shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. Look at the shark, he's trying to eat. And that's the snail. Can you see the snail? And that's its beautiful trail. The trail that it leaves. The sun over here, feeds the weed, feeds the snail, feeds the crab, feeds the squid, feeds the eel, feeds the shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. So look out if you go to the hole in the bottom of the sea. Oh, look at the poor animals. They're all in the shark's stomach. So we're all eating. Yum, yum, yum. Good. That's the story. Cool story, right? I love the story. So now you can go and sing it. Do you think you can sing this song? I'm going to try. Yes, of course. I love to sing. Yes, of course. Oh, didn't write it? There you go. Oh no, I'm wrong. I have to draw the characters from the story and write their names in English. So I'm just going to draw one because I don't have much time. I'm going to draw the shark. Look at this and this and that's part of the shark. Good. And I'm going to write, when I click there, I can write shark. Shark. The shark. Cool thing is that I can look at this anywhere. Good. The shark. And then I can draw something else. I can draw the crab, probably. Yeah. And so on and so forth. Well, you can do it at home. All of the characters that you can. And if you can write the names, perfect. Good. There you go. Open question. Now comes the question. Can you sing this song? It's a very difficult song. It's not an easy song. I'm going to write yes, of course. I love singing. There you go. So let's see about the song. Now, the song is very, very difficult, but we already read the story, so we know the lyrics already. It's the same story, but it's singing. So there's a hole in the bottom of the sea. That's the name of the song. You're going to be able to listen in your computers. I'm not going to put an audio now. So it goes like this. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole. There's a hole. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. And there's a shark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. In the dark in the hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole. There's a hole. there's a hole in the bottom of the sea, and so on and so forth. And you go reading and sing, and it's very fun. You can listen in your computers. Good? It gets really fast and very complicated at some point. Cool. And finally, I'm going to show you some information about what's happening with our oceans. So look, this one goes down. Look at there. We go down, okay, to find the information down. Good. So, pollution. Ocean pollution means, what does that mean? Pollution? What can you see in the images? Pollution. What does that mean? That it's very, yes, polluted, contaminated, right? Contamination is pollution, right? So you have lots of bottles there and plastic materials and things that we can use, right? What can we do about this? What can we do about it? I have some ideas. So I'm proposing some of these ideas to you. So in order not to throw these materials to the trash, and so they end up in the ocean, why don't we use them and reuse them and recycle them? So maybe you can transform here, like this ones, some used cans as banks. So you decorate them and they turn into beautiful banks, so you can save some money. Or what about, wait a minute, there you go. What about these bottles that they have no use generally? Why don't you cut them and you build a beautiful piggy bank? You can color it the way you want, and you can add the details that you want, and it looks beautiful as well. Here's another example. There are other banks that you can use with glass pots, right? There's another example there. This is a beautiful one. So every material, all of the materials that you throw to the trash or that you throw to the bin, try to take them and wash them and use them so they don't end up in the ocean, right? There's a yellow piggy there. Beautiful one as well. Good. So I challenge you and I dare you to come up with some of these ideas, okay? So now I want to show you how to enter this, how to do these activities. All you have to do is to enter Google Teams, Microsoft Teams, where we have our online sessions every day. And it's loading right now, I think. Yes, it is. There you go. And here you have a typical class, right? This is your class. This is CE2D in this case. So this is the wall. You can find all of the publishing here from all of the teachers, right? Typical wall, Teams. But if you look at here, under the name of your class, it says English. That's me, English. So I want you to click there. Good. And in the wall, you will find Oceans Day, World Oceans Day. Click there. Whoop. And you're going to write your names. Your name and last name. This is my name, Francisca Jose Miranda Muñoz. That's my name. I want you to write your name. You can write, I don't know, Clara or Valentina or Javier or Ignacio or Amanda, etc. Good. And you click on join. Once you've done that, you have access to everything and you can do all of these beautiful activities in your own computers. See, you can watch the video, or you can go to the drawing thing about the days of the week, or you can do whatever you want. All of the activities are there. So have fun and practice them all, and we'll see you on a next video. I hope this works because it's very fun. See you. Take a lot of care and